confirmation today, but actually a few days ago, that Goku is getting a new form. So guys, this is a chocolate which is based on Dragon Ball Super. And in Dragon Ball Super, we can see the normal Goku SSB. But we can also see a form that is, I guess, mistakenly by mistake, they have revealed his new form, which has red hair. But this is an awesome spoiler for the coming episodes, and I can predict the Dragon Ball Super is at least gonna reach the mark of 150 episodes easily. I don't think they will just finish the tournament of power so easily. Even if the tournament of power ends before episode 150, there will be a new arc, guys. Every arc is bigger, yeah, it's bigger than the previous arc. So, we're gonna experience a pretty long arc after this arc of the tournament of power. We don't know what that arc will be, but it could be the arc in which he receives this form, or it could be the arc of the tournament of power, which is going on till 150 episodes. But guys, we're talking about this form over here. I think it's an ascended level Dragon, I mean Super Saiyan Blue, because Vegeta ascended Super Saiyan and Super Saiyan 2 was also ascended. But I think that this is the ascended form of Super Saiyan Blue. And as we all know, Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken Time Cell is the strongest form any Saiyan can have till now. Guys, till now. Even Caulifla has not reached. Caulifla has not even reached actually Super Saiyan 3. So it's a very, very long way for her to overtake Goku. I don't think that's gonna ever happen. Because if this happens, there must be some, there's a whole like a mixture of plots that could happen if the tournament of power is not the last arc, guys. It's like 1,000 arcs we can discover, but out of those 1,000 there will only be one arc, and those 1,000 are not like they'll not be similar. They are similar, but their storyline will be different. We still don't know what's going to happen in this arc. And what do you all think will make Goku reach this transformation? Is it gonna be his anger against Daishinkan and the Zenus, or is it just his way to battle and win against Zeno? Because if Goku is hiding a form from like power from the Topo's man that you have seen, that when he wanted to pass his limit, if that from there he is hiding a form, because you need to see that as soon as possible. But what does limit breaking mean? What does that mean, guys? So probably it's gonna mean like his limit is till the tuna is till Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken times 10. He has reached all his power he can attain. But there is a power level which ascends every single power level we can ever see. And that is this form. That's why this form will be known as a Limit Breaker Goku form. Just one last thing, guys. It's a very minor chance. I don't even think that is, but it could even be Vegeta who's getting this form. That's impossible because looking at the physique, it's obviously good. But we still don't know. And guys, if you think that even Goku's getting a new form, Gohan's getting a new form, and Vegeta's getting a new form, that's gonna be like totally surprising for us. And I literally want to see that happen. So that's all for this video, and I'll meet you guys with another video in a few hours. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you can for making my channel a success. And I promise I will return as much good content as good you all can be. Okay,